Hello everyone, myself Professor Dipen Patel from NPCCSM College, Kadi. Today, I will explain the concept of segmentation, targeting and positioning. Now, these three concepts are the most important concepts in marketing management. Now, why these three concepts are important? Because if you are a marketing manager of a particular company and suppose you want to design a marketing strategy or policy, then these three concepts are the base of that strategy. Because without segmentation, targeting and positioning, you are not able to design that strategy, because these concepts are the base of any marketing strategy. And that's why it is important to learn these concepts in detail, that how these concepts are work in order to make strong brand. So let's understand each and every concepts in detail. First of all, I'll start with segmentation. Now, what is segmentation? Segmentation is the process of classifying customers into groups exhibiting different needs, characteristics or behavior is called segmentation. So as you can see, the most important part of this definition is the process of classifying customers into groups. It means dividing the total customers into groups. So on what basis you can divide this group? On the basis of their needs, characteristics or behavior, as I mentioned in the definition. So that is known as segmentation. Now the point is, why the segmentation is important? Why segmentation is important in marketing? Because modern marketing is consumer driven, or we can say consumer oriented in nature. Consumers are placed in center of marketing. The primary goal of marketing is to maximize consumer satisfaction. So a marketer can satisfy his customers only when he concentrates only on limited number of well-defined group of customers. And that's the whole idea behind the segmentation. Because the customer satisfaction is the most important part in marketing. And if you want to satisfy your customers, then as a marketing manager, you are supposed to concentrate on limited number of customers only, so that you can easily satisfy the need of that limited number of customers if you focus on limited numbers. Clear? And that's why the concept of segmentation comes into the picture. Now, what are the other benefits of segmentation? Now, the segmentation will help you in designing effective marketing strategy. Another benefit of segmentation is that it improves your profitability. Again, it will help you in benefit of specialization. It helps you in identifying market opportunity. So these are the benefit of segmentation, and that's why it is important to understand this concept in detail. Now, the another concept, that is the basis of segmentation, that how to divide your total customers, or we can say on what basis you can divide your total customers into different groups. So here I mentioned the four different way, or we can say four different bases. On that basis, on this four bases, you can divide your total customers into groups. First basis is known as geographical segmentation, or we can say geographical basis. So what is geographical basis? It means dividing total consumers on the basis of their geographical location, where they are living. That is known as geographical basis. For example, on the basis of rural area, on the basis of urban area, on the basis of local area, on the basis of state. So with the help of this parameter, you can divide your total market. Okay. Number 2, that is demographic basis. Now, what is demographic basis? Demographic basis means dividing your total customers on the basis of their demographic characteristics. Now, what do you mean by demographic characteristics? Demographic characteristics means your age, your income, your occupation, your gender, your status, your lifestyle. These are the example of your demographic basis. Number 3, psychographic basis. Psychographic basis means dividing the total customers on the basis of their psychographic characteristics, or we can say their mental characteristics. Now, the example is on the basis of customer personality, on the basis of customers' attitude, you can divide the total customers. So, these are the example of psychographic basis. Another basis, that is the last basis, is known as behavioral basis of segmentation. Now, what is behavioral basis? It means you can divide your total customers on the basis of customers' response. So, on the basis of customer response, you can divide your total customer base. Now, the example of behavioral bases are occasions, benefits, usage rate, user status, loyalty status. These are the example of behavioral basis. So, that's why the basis of segmentation is the core part of your whole segmentation concept. So, rest of the topic we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.